Right, assalamualaikum everyone. So welcome back to the Pepe update today. And yesterday, I remember telling you that this is a little bit of ascending triangle that we have, but I gave you a warning, and the warning was very clear throughout the video. I said it again and again. Wherever the break is going to be, that's where the direction is going to be. Now, at the moment, unfortunately, the break did happen to the downside, but the story is still not yet confirmed if Pepe will come down to 5867, even though the objective is to actually come here because it's a pop to the downside. But the reason why I'm saying that there are a little bit of chances of actually going back up is because there is a room for manipulation, number one. Number two, a fake out as well. This could be a fake out. We can expect a fake out, and it does even happen in the market. So let's check the 1 hour time frame at the moment. So if you look at the 1 hour time frame, this is where it's actually more clear that this is your break to the downside. So you made a fake out. This is a fake out. Did you see that? Just like you had a fake out up here, you may get a fake out down there as well. Okay, but the fact that you did this fake out makes it harder to make another fake out. And any break that is nearly 90% on the triangle, and 90% of the triangle means that you have spent time here and time here. So this wasn't a real breakout, this was not a breakout, this was not a breakout. Then this could have probably been the breakout, but it acted like a fake out, and now it came down, made another fake out, and then popped to the downside as well. Could there be another opportunity where you go back for the retest and pause the retest and absolutely shoot up? Is this manipulation going to happen? Perhaps it could even happen because Bitcoin is looking good. Bitcoin is still looking good. So how can Pepe actually fall down? Which leaves me with the question that, yeah, maybe perhaps. But keep in mind, retest is what's required. So we're going to see a push to the upside to 8182 one more time. And if you fail, if you really fail down there, right, you fall down, and if you kind of pass it, amazing, that's your new stop loss at 7694. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.